Hey guys, it's Cook Step by Step. Today we're making a grilled ham quesadilla with queso fresco, which means fresh cheese. So on my outside grill, I put up tortillas, making two. Lay down your favorite ham. I just got regular honey roasted smoked ham. It's pretty delicious and sliced very thin. And on top of it, I broke down the queso fresco and I'm trying to separate it evenly. It does melt slightly, not too much, but it does melt and it will be delicious. And I got this salsa, I think it's called salsa verde, and it's like grilled jalapenos and it is delicious. I love it so much. It's not too spicy, but it's gonna give it like a really good kick. And top it off with some more ham. One more. I think we can fit one more in here. There you go. And slam on the top. Close the grill, keep an eye on it, and flip it before it burns. So this is after I flipped it. Unfortunately, my grill does not leave a nice marks, so this is all I can do. And I like to cut it not from the edge, just leave a little bit at the edge so it doesn't fall apart right away. And we got a lot of ham in here. If you want, you can use less ham. I like mine very meaty and soft and juicy. Dipping sauce on the side, ready. This was a very quick meal for one or two. I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys in the next time. If you like it, thumbs up and subscribe.